name's Elizabeth Palmer, and this is my 56 T-Bird. It has a kind of a background story that I'm quite fond of. My husband, before he was my husband, always knew that I wanted a 56 T-Bird. I'd been saving up since I was about 13 years old, wanted it, every fiber of my being. And then something happened. Vietnam. He was going away to war. We got married. We were very young. I was 17. So guess what? The bird never got spoken of again, not least not for a very long time. We had twin daughters. We had 2 single birth sons. And then on our 15th wedding anniversary, my husband bought a 56 T-Bird for me. It wasn't in prime condition. It wasn't even its original color, but it was a bird and it was going to be mine. Well, had my husband still been around, he passed during COVID, and we would have been married for 56 years right now. And this is the last thing he had started, this last gift to me was to get this restored. And it finally is. He would have been thrilled to have it here and know that I was going to get to drive it again, with it looking as beautiful as it did in my own mind when I was just a teenager. I'm glad to have her back. Anaheim Rod and Custom has done a spectacular job. It is beyond what I expected. So I just am thrilled to death to have this vehicle back. I'm thinking it was a long time coming, but boy, is it worth it. And I am so glad we found Matt to fix this car up. Because where I had it at another shop, they had it for almost 4 years, and the only thing they did was take it apart. It was such a long wait. Whew. Welcome back.